Hello guys. So let's start the class on the graph theory second part. Okay, welcome to an academy. Good morning everybody. Welcome to our session. This is Bhima Shankar. I did my MTech from IIT Kharagpur. I have around 10 years of teaching experience in GATE and ESC throughout the country. So almost every single corner of the country. So in the last 10 years, I taught to n number of students every single year. Every single student got benefited from our class. Those who are sincere, those who attend the classes regularly, whether they have prior knowledge or not doesn't matter in my class, but sincerity is the importance, right? So I'm expertise with the subjects of digital circuit network analysis. We are here to discuss about the graph theory, that is the continuation to the yesterday's lecture, which is helpful for your ESC preparation, right? So last lecture we discussed the basics of the graph theory up to fundamental circuit matrix, what we call Tysset matrix or incidence matrix. The leftover part we will cover and finish it in this particular class. So let's move. So yes, the important thing here we want to discuss is Unacademy Plus subscription. If you want to go for Unacademy Plus subscription, guys, you should know the benefits of the subscription. If you go for the subscription, that is Unacademy learning app, which is the best interactive tool we are having. There you are having the live classes regularly, structured schedule. You will be having more benefits than your YouTube classes. YouTube is limited because of it is not a dedicated learning app. Here we have a dedicated learning app with more and more new initiatives continuously coming. Once you join the subscription, you can watch all the previous initiatives, new initiatives, current initiatives without any restriction. Unacademy is the only platform which allow you to watch in recorded and live and any class of your wish. Other branch classes also you can watch for your placements, etc. You can watch with only one subscription. So live classes we are having. You are having the crash course, rank improvement batch, English and Hindi alag batches and regular doubt clearing sessions, and you have the best learning experience for sure. You have unlimited practice, more and more number of exams, test series, everything under only one subscription, that is Unacademy Plus subscription. If you go for Iconic subscription, you will be provided with more extra benefits like personalized coaching with the help of a digital coach and study planner, and rank improvement of you with the help of your test analysis and booster service, etc. Everything is provided if you go for the Iconic subscription. If you go for Plus subscription, these are the prices. For that you should compulsory apply this coupon code, that is Shankar10. If you apply the code, you will be getting 10% discount on any course of Unacademy. For 1 year it is 27,225 after 10% discount. This is the lowest possible fee for the best quality we are providing for you. For 18 months this is the fee, and 1 year this is the fee structure, and that is originally 44,000. After discount you will get it for 39,600. So if you are aiming for ESC, you can go for this. If you are aiming in the third year, then you can go now for this. If you are in the second year, you can go for this according to your requirement. So these are the prices for the Iconic subscription. If you go for 3 months plus subscription, this is the price after the discount, right? So this is my profile name in Unacademy. You can go through that, you can message for any kind of queries, and you can follow my free special classes on networks and digital, right? So we are in the graph theory. Let me discuss the things. Okay, so rank of the graph we have discussed, complete graph, regular graph we have discussed, the differences, all basics, connected graph, disconnected graph, subgraph, tree, code tree, all with examples and all we have discussed in the last few lectures. Incidence matrix, reduced incidence matrix, Tysset matrix, these things we discussed and its properties, right? Now we are moving to the next part, that is called cut set. You can read the definition. Cut set, cut. Okay, cut set is like a khatarnak set, wo to bahut important hai. Cut set is the what is that? Minimal number of branches. It is the minimal number of branches, removal of which divides the graph into two parts. You should remove, simply understand, you should remove some minimum का मतलब कम से कम minimum number of branches from the graph, such that it will make the graph into two separate parts, need not be equal. Then okay, and the rank is reduced by 1, and rank is reduced by 1. Let's see right? Let's take one example for better understanding. Let me take a graph. Just for understanding, randomly taken. Right. So let us give the names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nodes A, B, and C, D. Okay. Say this is my graph. This is my graph. Suppose if you remove some branches and make the graph into two parts, it is called cut set. Let me remove them. Suppose if I remove these two branches, that is 2 and 3. Yes, the graph is divided into two parts. Two parts means two separate, no communication between the two parts. That is the meaning of two parts, bipartite. Okay, so here they should not be, need not be equal here, they should be separate. Next, listen here. If you remove 1, 4, 5, yes, it is also a cut set. Fine, sir. If I remove 1 and 2, no sir, let's check. If you remove 1 and 2, this part is separated. This is also a part, na? This node is one part, the remaining graph is another part, two parts ho gaya. So it is also a cut set. Next, similarly you can have C of 2, 4, 5, that will separate this part. Okay, next C of 3, 4, 5. Okay, similarly C of 1 and 3. Right, all these are called as cut sets. Okay, you may have the doubt, sir, you said minimal number of branches. What does it mean? Minimal ka matlab kya, sir? Here these are only 2, here you took 3. How it is minimum, sir? That please understand. What is the meaning of minimal? Listen, suppose here if I remove C of, okay, 2, 3 is making a cut set. For example, 1, 3 is making a cut set. If you remove 1, 3 and 4, if you remove 1, 3 and 4 also, it will make like this. This is not a cut set. What does that mean? You should remove the branches that should be as minimum as possible, as minimum as possible. That is, you should not remove any branch which is not required. Redundantly, unnecessarily, you should not remove. Iska matlab kya, sir? If you don't remove 4 also, it is making a cut set, then why to remove 4? That is what we call minimal. Minimal doesn't mean here 2 branches, here 3 branches, 2 is the minimal. No, minimal possibility in that case, minimal possibility. That is, here you should compulsory remove 4. If you don't remove 4, see here, it is not a cut set. Similarly, if you don't remove 5, it is not a cut set. If you don't remove 1, it is not a cut set. Here every single branch is required, then it is a compulsory removed. Whether you remove 2 branch, 3 branch, 4 branch, doesn't matter. You can remove any, but they should be required. For example, you see here 4 is not required because 1, 3 itself is giving a cut set. Okay, that is the meaning of minimal, to avoid the redundancy. Okay, so it is also making cut, but it is a redundant. Okay, so similarly you will have the doubt, another thing, can I make it 3 parts? No, you should make it only 2 parts. Okay, so now another thing, I told rank. What about the rank of the graph, sir? What is the original rank here? Is 4 minus 1, 3. What about the rank here, sir? 2 nodes minus 1, 1. Here what is the rank, sir? 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the overall rank, sir? Sum of individual ranks. I told you now, when the graph is divided into parts, last lecture, overall rank equal to sum of individual ranks. Yes, rank reduced by 1. You can check anywhere. Suppose here. What is the rank of the first one? Is 3 minus 1 because 3 nodes. What is the rank here? Sir, 2 minus 2, no. Rank 2 is 1 minus 1, 0. Then what is the rank, sir? 2 plus 0, 2. That's all. Overall rank is 3, it is reduced. You can see any part mein it is reduced by 1. Right? Chalo next. So by using this cut set, 1 minute, let me take our graph which we are taking every time. So let's find the cut sets for this graph also. Let's find cut sets for this graph also. Okay. So see here. Let's find the cut set. What are the cut sets available? First, I will tell you few things. Cut set of 1, 2, 3. That is, if you remove these 3 branches, this node is separated. It is a cut set. Cut set of 3, 5, 6. Similarly, cut set of 1, 4, 6. And cut set of, you remove these 3 also. This node is separated now, whether it is middle or not doesn't matter. No connection if you remove these 3. That is a cut set of 2, 4, 5. Now you think the other possibilities. Think about the other possibilities here. What are the other possibilities we are having, sir? Please try it. Think of it. Just think like you should remove some branches. It should make the graph into 2 parts. So to check whether it is correct or not, remove the branches and draw the graph. It should be 2 parts. But there should not be any redundant branch. Like, sir, I remove 1, 2, 3, 4, sir. Already 1, 2, 3 is removed now. You should not remove the extra branch. Okay, I remove 2, 4, 5, 6. No, 2, 4, 5 itself is sufficient. Don't remove extra branch and make another cut set. Okay, so let's see what are the other possibilities. Yes, if you remove 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. If you remove 1, 2, 5, 6, this is a cut set. Next, similarly, if you remove 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3. It can be any branch number of branches. There should not be any redundant. Yes or no? You check here. If you add 1, 2, 5, 6 removed now, if you add 2 or 1 or 5 or 6, it will not be a cut set. Cut set means 2 separate parts. Anything else? Yes. C of 1, 3, 4, 5. C of 1, 3, 4, 5. Fine. So these are the different cut sets possible. Right. Let's move to the next. So now we will move to the next topic, that is using cut set. One thing we want to go for is fundamental cut set matrix, which can be helpful for finding your number of node equations required to solve the network. So we have 3 parts here, same as tie-set matrix I have given. So 3 plausible conditions. What are the, sir? Select a tree. What is the first point? Let's take a graph. You can take the same graph or let me take another graph. It is your wish. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can take. You can take randomly anything. Just give the numbers randomly, there is no rule. Right, let me take this kind of graph. It is not a complete graph, just randomly taken graph. Okay, so first point is what? Select a tree. Let me select the tree. You select any tree of your like, whichever you like, you apply it. So 1, 4, 7. This is the tree I am selecting. This is the first point. Okay, so then what to do next? Removal of one tree branch at a time will give one F cut set at a time. Removal of one tree branch remove karo, ek cut set. Here listen, it is also a cut set. Small restriction is there. It is also a cut set with small restriction. What is that small restriction, sir? Only one tree branch at a time. What is the restriction, sir? Only one tree branch at a time. You should not remove. Simple rule is, if you remove, suppose this tree is there, tree may 1, 4, 7 are there na. When you remove 1, don't touch 4 and 7. When you remove 4, don't touch 1 and 7. If you remove 7, don't touch 1 and 4. That is the rule of fundamental cut set. That is only one tree branch at a time is the restriction. Earlier you can remove these 4 branches and make a cut set, but now you cannot do, because I selected this tree. If I remove 4, I should not remove 7 and make a cut set. That is the rule, right? Let's do it. So first one, fundamental cut set 1 is remove the tree branch 1. ट्री ब्रांच क्या सर? 1. इसके साथ you should remove something else. What are they? 2 and 3 also. Okay, it will make a cut set. Remove one tree branch at a time. 1 is removed, 4, 7 not touched. 2, 3 remove किया तो it will make a cut set. Next, what is the fundamental cut set 2? Remove 4. Remove 4. With 4, what are the other branches you should remove? Sir, don't say 3, 4, 5, 7. Why? 4 is removed, you should not touch the 7 and 1. Other than 7 and 1, touch, remove anything and make a cut set. Yes, think. Remove 4, and what else you should remove to make the graph into 2 parts? You can see here, you can make the graph into 2 parts like this. If you remove these branches, all are important. You should not have anything redundant here. That is 3, 6 and 5. Right, sir? Fine. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, sir. Next, fundamental cut set 3. 3 में what is my tie sets? What is my tree branch I should remove? 7. 7 के साथ what you need to remove? 7 के साथ you should remove 6. Then this node will be separated. These are the nodes, right? So enough, right? This is not touching, only these two remove, node is separated. So these are your fundamental cut set. Now write the node equation or twig direction as your reference. So, and make it in the form of matrix. If you take a matrix of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So first here, what is your reference direction is 1. Second 4. Next 7 is your reference. Okay. So these are your references. With respect to that, you should write the equation for remaining. So for 1, 2, 3, 1 is, see here you see 1, 2, 3, 1 is leaving, 3 is leaving, same direction, but 2 is entering opposite direction. So take here -1 +1. Baki not present, 0. 4, 3, 6, 7. 4 and 3 are in the same direction. 4 and 6 are also in same direction. 4 and 5, no, 5 entering, 4 leaving. Opposite direction. Remaining are not present. Here 6 and 7 are in same direction. So you can see here how many rows are there is equal to n minus 1, because we are having only one tree at a time. How many we will get? One tree at a time means n minus 1 into b. This is what we call your tie-set matrix Q R I, sorry, I9 C. This is called as your Q or C. Okay, we represent with either C or Q. So let's do some analysis here also. Okay, so this is the matrix, we got it. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now it is, what are your tree branches? 1, 4, 7. Let's mark it. Separate your 1, 4, 7. Okay, separate your 1, 4, 7 and remaining also. That is what we did earlier also, now also we are doing. So separate your firstly links. What are the links, sir? -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, -1 and 0, 0, 1, 1, right? So these are your links 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, then 1, 4, 7, right? 1, 4, 7 are what? 1, 4, 7 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So if you convert your Q matrix into, what is this? Links. If you separate your links and also twigs, links and also twigs. Okay, so what about your Q? It is Q links and Q twigs. Okay, here the Q twigs is always identity matrix. Earlier हम discuss किया B, in the B matrix, B links is always identity matrix. Yes or no? B links is always identity matrix because only one link at a time. Similarly in Q, Q links is always, sorry, Q twigs is always identity matrix. In B, links is identity, in Q, twigs is identity matrix. And another thing, here the relation between your matrices, that is if you know one matrix, how to obtain the other matrix, that is you can see here. A into B transpose is equal to B into A transpose is equal to 0. Similarly, if you have Q matrix and B matrix for the same graph, and same tree, not for the different trees and graphs, okay, whatever we have taken earlier is the different graph, first one is the same graph. If you take a same graph and do this analysis, okay, it will give you, it is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what we call relation between one to another. And here one important is, in B matrix, I already told you B links is already always identity. So you don't need B links, you need only B twigs. Okay, because please see here, B twigs is equal to Q links whole transpose minus, right? Or you can say Q links is equal to minus B twigs whole transpose. If you know this relation, what is the advantage, sir? Because see here in Q, already you know twigs is identity matrix. Here, if you know the links, that is sufficient to answer it. What is that? If you know B twigs, you can find Q links, and if you know Q links, you can find B twix. That is, if you know one matrix, you can find the other matrix, because in the B, links is a identity and Q twix is a identity matrix. Okay, right. The next one. This will help you to find one from another. So these are the properties of the cut set matrix. Every F cut set consists of only one twig in its representation. Number of F cut sets is equal to, yes, only one tree branch, na? Number of twigs, that is n minus 1. It is equal to rank of F cut set matrix. So number of F cut set matrix, different trees will give you different F cut sets. There is no uniqueness. Number of F cut sets are nothing but the number of node equations required to solve the corresponding network. F cut sets are nothing but the number of node equations required to solve the corresponding network. Here, what is the another important point? This is important. Every type F cut set consists of only one tree branch in its representation. F cut sets are nothing but the minimum number of node equations. So this will tell you the minimum number of node equations required to solve your corresponding network. So let's continue with the problems. So first question. Read it and try to answer it. Read the question. So here it is a direct, straight away you can do the solution for this question. A complete graph consists of 55 branches. Complete graph consists of 55 branches. Determine the number of tie sets, etc. Everything. Okay. In a complete graph, B is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 55. It is not true every time, because he said complete. Complete graph consists of this one. You can apply it. Okay. Now, n into n minus 1 equal to 110. So what is n, sir? 11. Done. First part is done. Then it is a direct, whatever we discussed in the theory, sufficient to solve any problem. So what is number of tie sets? Formula B minus n plus 1, that is 55 minus 11 plus 1, that is you will get, what is that, 45. Okay, next, number of F cut sets equal to n minus 1 twigs, right? That is 11 minus 1, 10. Next, number of trees is equal to number of tie set matrix. This is equal to number of F cut set matrix. What is the formula for a complete graph? N power n minus 2. For that, it is 11 power 9. These many different trees or different matrices possible for this given graph by the examiner. Direct substitution of formula only. So let's go to the next. Read this. A network graph consists of 17 branches and 10 nodes. Determine the number of equations required to solve the network. Number of equations required to solve the network. How many equations are required to solve the corresponding network? Very simple. Let's do it. Number of node equations is equal to number of F cut sets. What is the formula, sir? N minus 1. That is 10 minus 1, 9. What is the number of mesh equations? It is equal to number of tie sets, which is B minus N plus 1. That is 17 minus 10 plus 1. That is 8. That's all, sir. Then what is the number of equations required? It happened so many times in your GATE exam. Okay, at least 2-3 times in the previous years also they have given this question. Number of equations required is equal to minimum of 8 and 9. It is 8. You can see. Right. Next question. So this is the match the following question. You need to match this with this. Okay. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, what is that 1, 4, 5, 6, like that examiner has given which one is cut set, which one is tie set, which one is F loop, those things we need to match. So if you draw 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, so it will be like this. Very good. Next 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one. Very good. Next 2, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 7, 8. Next 2, 3, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 7. So these are the figures given. Now which one will qualify for tree? Both of them qualify for tree. If this is a tree, where is the core tree? If you take this as a tree, what is the core tree? It is the remaining part. Okay, remaining part is what? 1, 2, 3, 7 is a tree. For example, if you assume it, tree branches are called twigs. What is the core tree in that case? 1, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5, 6, 8. But 4, 5, 6, 8 is not available in the option. So tree is there, core tree is not there. So don't take this as a tree. If you take 1, 4, 5, 6 as a tree, then what happens? 2, 3, 7, 8. Yes, so 2, 3, 7, 8 is there. So compulsory you should take this as a tree and its corresponding core tree. Yeah, job ho gaya aasan se. So 1, 4, 5, 6 is a tree branches are called twigs. 2, 3, 7 is called core tree branches are called cords or links. Then listen here. It is the loop forming, it is not a loop. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a loop, tie set. You can see if you remove 1, 2, 3, 7 from this graph, it will make it into 2 separate parts. Yes or no? If you remove that middle part, first one and bottom is separated. What is this, sir? F cut set. And also only one tree branch, that is one is selected at a time. Here also 1, 4, 5, 6 may one link is added here. Every property is satisfied properly. So here if you observe that, if you identify tree, everything will come easily for you. Okay. So it is also like a loop, it is also like a loop. It is like a tree, it is also like a tree. How to find it is according to option. Examiner has given both twigs and links. So if one is a tree, another core tree should also be available in the options. Okay. So for the same tree, we should specify everything. Next. One more question. Right. This is given in GATE 2008. In the following graph, the number of trees and number of cut sets are. How many? This is the node, guys. Number of trees and number of cut sets are. Okay. Is this a node or not? Let me check. Right. See here, this is, let me draw the network properly, graph properly. It's not, it's like this. Okay, you understand? It is not touched, it is like this. Okay, it is not a junction point, it is not a node. Okay, this is the graph given. You can see here. Firstly, what is the question? Question kya hai, sir? We need to find the number of trees and cut sets. Let's make trees first. Trees should connect all the nodes, right? So this is another tree. Anything else? Yes. This is another tree. So how many trees are possible? 4. Okay. It will connect every node without any. It is not a closed path. Please understand, it is not touching. It is like this. So trees are 4. It is connecting all the nodes without any closed path. So trees are 4. Remove these two options. Then find co-trees. For finding co-trees, let's try it again. Right, this is the graph given by exam. Right. So what are the names given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make cut set of 1 and 3, cut set of 2 and 4, right? If you remove these two branches, it is make a cut set. If you make these two, one may. Similarly, if you make 1, 2 and also 3, 4, this you know it already. So anything other cut set, yes. If you remove 2, 3, it will make a cut set. And also, if you remove 1 and 4, it will make another cut set. Here not, don't think these are like this, they are like this. So here how many cut sets are possible? It's 6 cut sets are possible. So answer will be 4 and 6. So that is about your graph theory, guys, which is required for your objective point of view. You can solve any question from this. Conventionally, some extra is required, like network is given, how to find its node voltages using these graph theory concepts, which we discussed just now, how to apply it. That we will be dealing in the conventional. When I take some other session for the conventional part of ESC, there we will take it. Otherwise, our total syllabus, whatever for the from the basic to now, except in the network synthesis, remaining all cases I covered is for GATE and ESC, objective and conventional also. In this 70 to 73 lectures, I have provided you the best possible content. Utilize this. Share this playlist with more and more of your friends. Every single student will definitely get benefited from this. Those who are in the second year, third year, they want to, if your junior or whatever friend want to study networks, show this source. They will definitely able to learn the networks, whatever maybe their prior knowledge doesn't matter. Okay, this is the piece of thing you need to do for the effort we kept for long these days. So I'm happy to announce the end of the session of this 73 good beautiful lectures. Okay, last lecture we are not live because of some issues. This is a premiere, but still I connect with more and more number of new students with you during this particular branch. More than thousands of students every learn from this source. I am very happy for that. Thank you, guys. So we are ending the course from the last 3 months. Whatever we are discussing is coming to end. Thank you one and all, everybody who likes my teaching, who get benefited with this course. So I want you all to achieve whatever the goal you are having in the best possible way. So this, follow our Telegram channels for your notes. Okay, so you can use my coupon code whenever you want to join an academy, whether you are in the second year, third year, doesn't matter. Whenever you join, this is the coupon code, guys. So follow our channel and share with more and more number of students so that they will also get benefited. So you can go through the GATE questions last few years I have already done and kept in the channel. right? Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Love you all.